I wanted to show you again with the MIDI file. If we import a MIDI file, pinkster.mid, open. There you go. The scales value here, the scale name you can choose, and we've got a few different scale names you can choose from, and that scale name is associated with this list of numbers. Now you can edit, you can change these values by editing a file. We installed JDCNC. Here you go. Version 161 is in C, program files x86, JDCNC and version number. If you go to the bin directory, you'll find this default.midiscales.xml, and if you edit that file, you'll see the scales plural and scale singular, and it has a name and a series of numbers. So if you've got gaps there, 43, 45, etc. But you can also have 57-62, so that's 57 to 62 inclusive. And so this list of numbers here is given this scale name. So this list of numbers defines all of the MIDI note numbers that are valid within that scale. And JDCNC will read this file at startup time, and it will list the scale names in these options. And if you choose that scale name, it'll change the list of numbers, and it will redraw the MIDI data when it's done. I suppose the other thing I should say is that when you save the hex file, it actually saves the MIDI data inside the hex file, so you don't need the referenced MIDI file anymore. It takes a copy of it and saves it in there. Yeah, that's probably enough for the scales, for the Pinkster stuff. I suppose the other thing from the previous video I should explain a bit is, if you click on the program object and look at the program's properties, you can see which machine name you're choosing, but you can also see this tool change movement. And one of the warnings we got was, we say we've chosen to use a G28 and probe tool length as a tool change movement. Well, that's the default defined for my Hafco HM50 machine, but you can change it to not defined, so that you don't get that touch off, all of the extra touch off movements, and you won't get that warning when it starts up. There's various other movements I won't go into at this point, but you get that idea. So if I save that file, and I'll just overwrite the one that's there, oh sorry, I forgot to create the drilling option. But anyway, you'll see if I generated a drilling operation from this, it would you wouldn't get that warning anymore.